Have you ever had this happen to your favorite sweater or shirt? Those right there are sweater bumps, or as I like to call them, sweater nipples, and they are from hangers. When a shirt is placed on a normal hanger, it creates this bump right on the shoulder. If you were to take the sweater off, that bump would now show up on your shirt, and that's going to be permanent unless you fix it. But guess what? I found the next solution. It's going to save you a whole bunch of time, and it's going to avoid those sweater nipples from appearing on your favorite clothes. This is going to save your problems right here. Let me introduce to you a new hanger from a company called Hangio. Now you might be thinking, what's so special about this hanger? Let me show you right here. With all these hangers by Hangio, you can bend it in any shape that you want for any clothing style that you have. That's right, if you want to hang your pants, your shirt, or even your ties, all you have to do is a little twist of the wrist and customize the hanger to go with whatever piece of clothing that you want to hang. Here's a close-up of one of their hangers. They got their nice logo right in the middle. The arms are actually rubber, and which makes them very malleable and bendable, so you can shape it to whatever clothing item that you may have. Now these hangers, you can buy them online in a pack of 3, and they have 2 different designs. You can get this maple design, which I have here, or you can get a walnut wood design. The only change there is the wood used. If you want a little lighter, you go with the maple, a little darker walnut. But you can also buy singular hangers too. So if you have something that's very delicate and you don't want to get that piece of clothing ruined, for example, and you want to be able to bend it to its shape, you know, they got singular ones that you can buy as well. If you do purchase a pack of hangers, this instruction guide comes along with it. You can see here there's 6 different bendable shapes that you can form, along with what item would be suitable for that size. All right, so I think it's about time. Let me show you how these actually work and how they actually hang different types of clothing items. First of all, let us return to our normal triangular hanger, which causes those hanger bumps or nipples. Get the shape right here, memorize it, because we're going to now hang this sweater with a Hangio hanger. All right, so I'm going to show you the best way to hang one of your shirts so it doesn't get those sweater marks or sweater nipples. What you want to do is when you have the hanger, you're going to form it to this shape. Once I formed it to this shape, I can now put the sweater on the hanger. So I have the sweater here, I'm just going to feed it through, and then I'll show you the results after. So here we go. I put the hanger like that, the way I showed you, and guess what? Look at this now. When you want to avoid those hanger bumps, you want to try and match the shape of the hanger to your natural shape of your shoulder, which I did here. We can see that there isn't really a point from which, you know, those marks would actually occur. If I hold it up, say almost to my shoulder, we can see that it sort of matches that shape. You're not going to get any marks with this hanger. I just want to show you the strength of these hangers, because some might be thinking, oh, it's not going to be as strong. Here I have my referee jersey. It's a thicker material. I got the hanger within. This is staying, like I can move it up and down. It's not moving anywhere. Again, I could sort of play and bend with the hanger if I want to match it to my shoulder, but normally with these thicker materials, I'm not getting any marks. If you collect scarves like myself or have a few, guess what? These hangers are great for scarves. I just looked at the configuration, the bendable chart they sent me. What I can do is I can bend it to match the hug, which is great for scarves. So what I can do now is I can just drape my scarf right over. If I wanted to hang this up in the closet, now I can. Simple as that. How about the backwards hug? Look at this. I can hang all my ties on this smaller hanger, throw it right up in the closet. Guess what? This is good to go. Just unhook one and ready for my dress shirt. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you want to check out Hangio, I'm going to put the link to their website below. Guess what? We're going to do you something extra. I have a discount code, TIEGUY, all capital letters. You can go online, get 10% off. Again, if you have some more delicate clothing that you want to make sure doesn't get ruined, check these hangers out. You can easily bend them to the shape that you want, and you're going to be good to go each time. I'd like to thank you for watching the video. Go check out Hangio below. Thanks for watching.